Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert web page to PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Go to Tools menu and click the Create PDF and select the web page and go to your URL link. Copy the URL and paste here and click create. Now check the processing. My web page is converting to PDF file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.